This video might quietly change how you see AI money in America. Most AI side hustles failed fast. A few still work right now. The difference is boring but profitable. What if hype was never required? What if small tools beat big promises? What if AI worked quietly behind the scenes? Stay through the end for one overlooked idea. These ideas fit real US rules. They work with normal schedules. No overnight riches here. Just systems that compound. Let's start with the reality check. AI is no longer special. Access is cheap. Competition is brutal. Skill stacking matters again. Distribution matters more. The first hustle is AI content repurposing. Businesses already create long content. They waste most of it. Your job is slicing intelligently. Use ChatGPT to plan clips. Use Pictory AI for visuals. Deliver short videos weekly. Charge monthly retainers. US agencies pay consistently. Outreach happens through email. Results matter more than views. The second hustle is AI local SEO. Local businesses still struggle online. They want calls. They want directions. AI helps scale tedious work. Use ChatGPT for location pages. Optimize Google business profiles. Track simple ranking improvements. Charge per location. Contractors pay happily. The third hustle is AI newsletter ghostwriting. Founders want authority. They hate writing. You become their invisible voice. Interview once monthly. Use ChatGPT for drafts. Edit lightly for tone. Send through email platforms. Charge premium retainers. B2B niches work best. The fourth hustle is AI productize research. Investors need summaries. Executives need clarity. Information overload is real. Use AI to condense reports. Focus on one industry. Deliver weekly briefings. Sell subscriptions. US professionals value time. This scales quietly. Now the overlooked hustle most ignore. AI-powered compliance assistance. Rules keep changing. Businesses feel confused. You track updates. AI summarizes regulations. You explain implications. Focus on one niche. Think trucking or healthcare. Charge monthly advisory fees. This demand keeps rising. The fifth hustle is AI print on demand. Generic designs fail now. Hyper niche wins. Use Midjourney for concepts. Validate on Etsy. Expand to Shopify. Automate order flows. Focus on US humor. Seasonal drops convert. The sixth hustle is AI podcast editing. Podcasts keep growing. Editing is painful. AI speeds workflows. Clean audio automatically. Create clips weekly. Deliver consistently. Charge per episode. Agencies outsource this. Reliability beats creativity. The seventh hustle is AI-led enrichment. Sales teams need better data. Raw lists are useless. AI cleans and scores leads. Use public sources. Respect privacy laws. Deliver enriched spreadsheets. Charge per 1,000 leads. US startups buy monthly. This is boring money. The eighth hustle is AI resume tailoring. Job seekers feel stuck. Companies use filters. AI matches keywords. Personalization still matters. Offer interview-focused packages. Charge per role. LinkedIn outreach works. Results bring referrals. This is recession-proof. The ninth hustle is AI course outlining. Experts want courses. They lack structure. AI creates logical flows. You refine learning paths. Sell outlines and scripts. No hosting required. Coaches pay up front. This scales fast. Few offer it well. Midway reminder to stay connected. Subscribe to catch future breakdowns. Turn alerts on for updates. Now the 10th hustle. IOPS Automation Consulting. Small firms drown in tools. You simplify workflows. Map processes first. Use Zapier for automation. Document everything in Notion. Train staff briefly. Charge setup plus maintenance. US SMBs renew yearly. The 11th hustle is AI ad testing. Ads fatigue quickly. Variations matter. AI generates copy options. You test systematically. Report winners weekly. Charge percentage or flat fees. E-commerce brands hire fast. The 12th hustle is AI data cleanup. Messy data kills decisions. AI standardizes records. You ensure accuracy. Focus on one format. Deliver clean dashboards. Charge project fees. Corporations outsource gladly. Trust builds long contracts. The 13th hustle is AI audiobook prep. Authors need speed. Formatting takes time. AI segments chapters. Polish manually. Upload to platforms. Charge per book. Self-publishers repeat orders. Amazon KDP drives volume. This stacks nicely. The 14th hustle is AI website refreshes. Old sites look dated. Messaging matters more now. AI rewrites copy. You adjust positioning. Use Canva for visuals. Launch quickly. Charge fixed packages. Local brands respond well. Simplicity closes deals. The 15th hustle is AI financial modeling. Founders fear spreadsheets. AI build scenarios. You sanity check numbers. Focus on startups. Deliver pitch-ready models. Charge premium rates. Accuracy builds reputation. Referrals grow steadily. The 16th hustle is AI influencer research. Brands waste budgets. Fake influence is common. AI analyzes engagement. You shortlist real creators. Deliver clear reports. Charge per campaign. Agencies buy repeatedly. This saves money. The 17th hustle is AI legal summarization. Lawyers drown in documents. AI speeds review. You highlight risks. Never give legal advice. Charge per document. Firms outsource overflow. Demand stays strong. The 18th hustle is AI SOP creation. Teams need clarity. Processes drift. AI drafts procedures. You customize details. Deliver clean documents. Charge per system. Growing companies need this. This scales quietly. The 19th hustle is AI CRM cleanup. CRMs rot quickly. AI deduplicates records. You define fields. Train teams lightly. Charge quarterly. Sales leaders renew. Efficiency sells itself. The 20th hustle is AI trend briefings. Executives hate surprises. AI scans signals. You interpret meaning. Deliver monthly insights. Charge subscriptions. Thoughtfulness beats speed. Now the real takeaway. AI is just leverage. Humans choose direction. Boring systems win. Consistency compounds quietly. Pick one idea only. Master distribution first. Add AI second. Stay legal and ethical. America rewards reliability. The next wave is coming. Fewer people will notice. Those prepared will benefit. That's the opportunity window. If this helped, stay connected. Subscribe for weekly drops. Turn the bell on. We track shifts early. You stay ahead. Next video dives deeper. One model breaks expectation. Most creators will miss it. You won't if subscribed. Thanks for watching closely. Apply one idea today. Ignore the rest. Progress beats perfection. Systems beat hustle. Quiet money lasts. See you next upload. The tools links are given in the description.